Girl, I done already ripped the lace. I already ripped the lace. Hey girl, hey, my name is Allison and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we're glad to have you here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, you know what we're doing today. It's another wig review. So today we are reviewing the Outre Tayon, and this is the stock card. So cute. This is the number 2 13x6 transparent in lace. Now this wig says no plucking required. They done lied. Alright. I feel like this wig is pre-plucked just enough where if you're gonna wear in the middle part and the wind doesn't blow back, you're good. But if you want to give like that very natural look, you're gonna go ahead and need to pluck just a tad, very little by the hairline, and be extra careful. Okay, don't go on trying to rip the hair out the lace that like some of us are used to, i.e. me, because if you do that, you're going to tear the lace. This is also a transparent lace, and baby, is she transparent. Now, we're talking about transparent more so on like the brownish grayish side, not like the transparent white. Outre definitely knows who their target audience is, and so with that being a transparent brownish lace, it's easier to blend in with darker complexions, as well as, you know, even lighter complexions for people of color. Now this is a 13x6, so you already know what that means. It doesn't fit my head. Guys, I swear I have like the average head size, and it's a hit or miss with these wigs. Okay, we lean more to the 13x6 does not fully fit my head, and that's kind of the case. So much so that when I was trying to force this wig to fit my head, I ripped the hole in the lace. Yes, I did. Now I did repair the lace using fishing wire. Yeah, I was able to fix the lace, so I didn't have to like really conceal it. I could still wear it on the side part because originally like that's how I ripped it, but I just can't part in that actual area, so just keep that in mind. I will link that video somewhere above, how I repaired it. She is so versatile. When I put this on, I was playing with it so much, shaking it, blah blah blah, like doing a flip over method, all kind of stuff, right? She was cute, and the layers in her, OMG, to die for. Like, it's very much giving big 90s, big 70s, like textured hair, you know, blow dried hair. This hair is not on the silky side, it's more so on like the blow dried texture side. So like imagine if you have textured hair, you know, curly hair, and you were to get a blow dry without the silk press. Oh yeah, this is what it's giving. That is pretty much it, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Again, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, girl. Okay, what are you waiting for? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.